Here's some good news. Area homeowners can get a free carbon monoxide
Show us how
detector.
to-
It's all
okay,
thanks
now
to a
you can-
partnership between QC Area Realtors and the Quad City Area Fire Marshals Association. The Realtor Group is donating $5,000 towards installing carbon monoxide detectors in homes by local fire departments.
I think there's always a need for it. When we go out and do our smoke alarm installs, we find that there's a lot of people that do ask and request if we have the carbon monoxide detectors, and we don't have that program available, so this is definitely nice. And we'll be able to do that program until we run out of supplies.
To get your free detector, you'll need to contact your local fire department to schedule an installation.